Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw GCrypto in GCash without verification. So let's start. So how to withdraw from your GCrypto trading wallet. So first you have to enter your GCrypto dashboard, tab withdraw, enter your desired amount and tap continue. Enter the OTP, send your GCash register number and tap submit. You will see a confirmation message. The withdrawal was successful. Most crypto withdrawals only take few minutes to finish. Sometimes withdrawal may be delayed because a lot of people are using the network at the same time. This is called blockchain congestion. And as it says in requests, we may need to check your withdrawal or ask for your confirmation. This can take 1 to 2 hours. So to verify your crypto withdrawal transactions, check your GCash app inbox and GCash transaction history, and there you can confirm the transaction was successful or is not available yet. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to do it. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.